mixed grill meatballs with some cherry tomato sauce. You can add a little bit of basil or tarragon. I chose tarragon. My sister loves tarragon. We're feeding Maria tonight. Some crushed garlic, a little bit of fresh thyme, and a couple sprinkles of oregano, and 2 pints per 4 people of cherry tomatoes. Throw these guys into the pan and let them get moving and slumping. Let them start breaking down. I call these mixed grill meatballs because you're supposed to mix up the meats. So we're going to add in to both sets of meatballs, my sister's chicken and John's and mine, are lamb and beef, okay? 3 tablespoons for 2 pounds, about 1 tablespoon for 1 pound. Now this is my Za'atar seasoning. It's sumac, toasted sesame, oregano, thyme, but you can buy Za'atar in the grocery store or online. I used cooked measurement of 1.5 cups for 2 pounds and 3/4 of a cup for 1 pound of rice, not breadcrumb. And we have in each bowl 1 egg. And now we're going to add in our fresh herbs. 1 fat handful in Maria's, 2 fat handfuls in ours. Preheat the oven to 400. Line a large baking tray with foil and some parchment. So we mix this all together, and I added to both bowls about 1/2 of a grated onion and a few cloves of grated garlic and a fat drizzle of olive oil. When we go to form these, you can use a cup of warm water to keep the scoop clean, and you can use a small 2-ounce scoop to help you make kind of a medium size, a little bit above bite-sized meatball, okay? What I forgot to tell you was I also put pecorino, sheep's milk grated cheese, into the meatballs. You can see I emptied the container. I put 1 fat handful in for each pound of meat, okay? Now we're going to put these guys into a 400-degree oven for roughly 20-25 minutes. It depends on how large you make the meatballs, right? So we're going to pop these guys into the oven. Meanwhile, we're going to finish our sauce. So our sauce is slumped tomatoes, 2 pints of cherry tomatoes. Then we're going to add a little bit of stock. I already added a touch during the break, I have to tell you the truth. I'm just putting in a splash more. And a little bit of passata, just to make sure we have enough sauce to cover all those meatballs. Here's our meatballs. Okay, scooch over. And I've been charring on a little cast iron griddle, or you can use nonstick. I've been charring up some garlic naan bread to serve these with. I use garlic naan, and I put some of my Za'atar seasoning on it. Get these guys into their sauce. The sauce is made from fresh cherry tomatoes, passata, and stock. Very thin, simple sauce. We're just coating them with the burst tomato juice, yogurt. Slather with the back of the spoon. Let's get a paddle. Okay. Slather. Meatballs with rice and tons of herbs. Take a little extra tomato. And there we go, guys.